Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set live wallpapers on Windows 10 or 11 on PC. It's going to really simple and easy. First of all, you just have to open your Microsoft Store and then in the search bar, you just have to search for this lively wallpapers and this is the app you want to install. Just tap on this and install this application. After installing, just tap on this open and as you can see, it's opening now. So now this is the app and these are the live wallpapers you can use. It's really simple and mind-blowing wallpapers. You can add the wallpapers as well. Just tap on this add wallpaper and you can see you can add the wallpapers, live wallpapers from your computer as well. But let's say I just want to add this live wallpaper from now. Just tap on it, tap on these three dots and you just have to simply tap on this set as wallpaper. And now if you go back, as you can see, our live wallpaper has been added. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.